Here is an abandoned house here on Sawmill Road. Look what's in the backyard. It used to be a business a long time ago. Just sitting here. Nobody's attending to it. You can't even see the front door here. It's so overgrown. Not much really to see. It was like a printing company a long time ago. But that's it. Not much to say on this one. I'd like to know what's in those storage containers here in the back, but they got locks on them. Let's look at it again. I looked in the door over there. There's nothing, but it's just a hallway with carpet. So nothing exciting. There you can see, just sitting here empty.